Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make elderberry syrup from frozen berries. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of frozen elderberries, 4 cups of water, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1/2 cup of fresh ginger. You'll also need 1 cup of raw honey. This simple recipe uses common kitchen items and takes about 1 hour to prepare, yielding approximately 2 cups of delicious, homemade syrup. Let's get started. Now let's cook our elderberries. In a medium saucepan, combine the 1 cup of frozen elderberries, 4 cups of water, 1 cinnamon stick, and the 1/2 cup of fresh ginger. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently for about 45 minutes. The liquid should reduce by nearly half, concentrating the flavors beautifully. This step is crucial for extracting all the beneficial compounds. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. This makes it safer to handle. Next, place a fine mesh sieve over a bowl and pour the berry mixture through it. Use a spoon or spatula to press down on the berries, extracting every last drop of liquid. Discard the solids. Once the liquid is strained and slightly cooled, stir in 1 cup of raw honey until it is completely dissolved. The honey adds sweetness and acts as a natural preservative. Finally, it's time to store your homemade elderberry syrup. Carefully pour the cooled syrup into a clean, airtight glass jar or bottle. Store it in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for up to 2 months. For general wellness, many people take 1 teaspoon daily. You can also mix it into tea or sparkling water. This easy method provides a wonderful, natural syrup that you can enjoy regularly. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.